They do feel really good on your arm, nice and light and pretty comfortable.
These watches have larger capacity batteries, 15% larger than on the Watch 4 Classic.
Here's our quick hands-on.
The touchscreen is super responsive. You've got a gorgeous Super AMOLED display here, and it's as bright, sharp and poppy as always.
I do think that redesigned back panel that is on the Watch 5 series does go a long way to help keep it more snug on my wrist.
The use of sapphire crystal increased the scratch-resistant level.
The regular Galaxy Watch 5, both sizes, now sport a bigger battery compared with the older Gen 4. And this also charges fast, so you'll get a 45% charge in just 30 minutes.
I love battery life. Sounds weird to say, but I hate charging my watch every night. So the more battery life, the better.
If you want the best battery life going, then the Galaxy Watch 5 Pro could be the one to go for. Now, a more advanced version of Samsung's bioactive sensor is packed into the Galaxy Watch 5 series. There's also a good bit of bioelectrical impedance analysis sensor action on here, so body composition can be performed.
Both of the new watches have the ability to give you much deeper sleep analysis and sleep insights over time.
Let's just say there's a lot of focus on health here when it comes to the Watch 5 series.
The Pro can also give you turn-by-turn navigation and the ability to load in preset routes for your cycling or your hiking sessions.